Next we have engine guard, also known as a crash bars. They are like the bodyguard of your bike, shielding the engine and its component during accident or faults. They even provide additional protection to your legs in certain low speed mishaps. Now let's take a closer look at how to install. Ride safe and enjoy the journey.